Okay, for adding the products, what I meant to say is you can create one reusable block like add product to cart. But again, I'm not sure how good it works because some products here, if you click on add to cart, they will be added. Some products here, they
Yeah,
will
it is
take you
opening
to
into the new window.
new
Yeah.
window. Again, which is bit different. So there you should add some if condition or something, I think. Okay. So now here I already scanned it somewhere. So let's see. I think this one, or else let me quickly scan it again. I want this add to cart button. I just scanned it non-uniquely. And now what I do is I change this property to star. So it works for any product.
Yes.
And now here I will add one configuration parameter that is explicit name. And the value is true. And now I'll just drag this and drop it. So for suppose if you want to get to the section as well, then usually you will have some place where you scanned all those sections. If you don't have it, scan it. I think I don't have it. Books, computers, electronics, credentials, downloads, jewelry, gift cards. Set on screen once again. Maximize, say simply finish screen. Everything is good. Close. The same way. Categories. So you can click on anything, whatever you want. Or else here you can do it in this way as well. Yeah, this is more easy. Drag it and drop it on this and then just move it here and now create business parameters. So whichever user want, they will give click on that particular one. So altogether I am setting the action mode as input. You know this, right? I selected all
Yes.
the attributes, right click, set action mode to input, and now select all these, drag them to this container. So business parameters will be created and they will be auto mapped. So now user can select the category, and after selecting the category they need to click on add to cart. So now before they click on add to cart, what is the thing that they should know? What is the ID of this particular product? Because here we give the repetition concept, right? So we should know we cannot use any other way. We should know which add to cart it has to click on. So they should know the ID of the product. That is one main thing that they need. So how do they know the ID of the product actually? You should use another loop here. Okay, so what I do is I'll create a separate reusable block for it. Find ID of the product, and here I take only one business parameter, that is the product name should be the input value that I need. And now how can I find it? I am going to use a do while loop here. So before even using do while loop, first I'll have a buffer. So what I do is initially first I'll create a buffer called count, and I'll assign a value 0 to it. And then what I do in the loop part, I'm going to increase the value of the count with 1. So it is math of existing value of the buffer count plus 1 and close both the braces. So this is how I am incrementing. And now on what basis actually I am trying to buffer? This is the main important thing. So I'm buffering it based upon the product image. So I'm just copying this and pasting it in our product button here. Okay. So I'm just dragging this module here and dropping it on this. Let me see the properties. So here we have the explicit name true, title, show details for so and so. So now this is the one product image. So what I say is hash curly braces buffer of count. So go to each product every time, like 1, 2, 3 and all, and then get the title. So title is the property that I need to verify such that it should not be equal to show details for again whatever product name that we are passing. So PL of product name and close both the braces. So we need to verify it in such a way that this is not equal to. Until unless it is not equal to, just go. Once it is equal to, come out of the loop so that I will get to know my product number. Did you get my point?
Since it loop, it will the loop will go on till we will get the first product name again.
No, this is our required product name. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so for suppose I want a product called, I am looking for a product called denim short with rhinestones. I don't know the particular ID of this product.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this short one. So actually, what is the ID? Sixth one. Okay, but
Yes.
we don't know. We say that look for the product name called denim short, something like that. So first it will create a buffer called 0. Then it will increase its value to 1. And now come to the condition part. Hash 1. So where it will go? It will go to the first
First product.
product, and then it will verify its title. What does it title have? Show details for 50s, rockability, polka dot top, something. So this is meeting my condition, right? This is not equal to the exact product. So
Mm-hmm.
again it will go to the loop. It will become 2 this time. It will go and verify the second product. And once it comes to the sixth product, it becomes equal to. So automatically it will come out of the loop. Am I correct?
Yes.
So this is what I am doing here. So here I am finding the ID of the product. So what I do is I'll just, you can use a reusable block inside a reusable block. Okay. And now for this reusable block, you should pass the product name. So what I do is I'll create a product name business parameter, and whatever value they are passing to this, I'll pass to this. Okay. So here whatever name I pass, the same name goes to this step and it will find the ID of the product. Is it clear till here?
Uh, this one, what you have done means in the same business parameter, you have added the find the product one.
Yes, in the same reusable block, I used another reusable block and the business parameter I mapped with this one again.
Okay.
Ramya, one doubt again.
Yes.
For few products, we have to add this length kind of things, right? Before we are adding the cart.
Yeah, see, you can use them as conditions like jewelry and all. Okay, for
Oh,
those you can use if loops and all over there.
okay.
I'm here creating a generalized one. And now
Okay.
again, here also you will face a problem. Click on add to cart button because now for suppose take the denim shot only. You got the ID as 6. Am I correct? Now if I say go and click on 6th add to cart, which one will it click on? This one. Am I correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. But actually I want to click on this. As
Mm.
this is missing the add to cart, it is going and clicking on this one. Did you understand?
Yeah.
So again here you need to handle it in a different way. You should think about it. Like instead of directly clicking on add to cart here, why not you open the product every time and click on add to cart here? Because this is the one which is common for all the products. Right? Did you get my point?
Yes, Ramya. This only I was trying yesterday, but in the loop, how we have to increment that, that I was not getting.
You need not use any loop here. I did not use any loop. So what I do now is, for suppose, think like this is the add to cart that is working fine. So I'll just use these reusable blocks as many times I want, and I'll give that particular product name as many times I want.
Okay.
And here it would be like, for suppose, if you are clicking on the product image only, think like you are clicking on product image. So here it would be hash buffer of count, because that is the one which is having the ID of the product, right? So I'll give it and you will say go and click on it. So when you use it, let me drag it and drop it into a test case. So here I am just using it. So here all I do is I'll just say click here for apparel and shoes, and what is the product that I want to click on this blue jeans. Okay, I'll say blue jeans. Okay, and now when I run this reference, see, first it will go and click on apparel and shoes, and then it will click on blue jeans. add to convert, on this particular product image. Let's see if it works. Something failed. Let's see. It is there, right? There is something wrong with this, with the control that actually scanned. Let me recheck. So I'll just quickly do a rescan and check.
Here Ramya, here you're trying to click on the add to cart, right?
No,
Or
I'm trying to click on this particular product image.
okay, image.
Let me try to scan that product image once again. I took that old one, right? I don't remember which all did I change in that old one. Identify by index 3 out of 8. Yes. I'll just merge these two things. Let's try now and see. It's working now. There are some property changes. I just scanned it again and it is working. Any questions? Did you understand it now?
Yes, Ramya. I'll try this and I'll get back to you.
Yeah, sure. And here only in demo web shop you have this complex thing. Like some products have this button, some products don't have this button. In real time, it will be like uniform only, I can say. Okay. Yeah, and another question is about scanning tables. While scanning, how do you scan the tables? So shift, 1 second. Say select on screen and then choose this table. And then in order to confirm whether you have selected the correct way or not, click on this show content preview. Did you do that? Hello,
Yeah,
Bikram?
yes, Ramya. Yeah, Ramya. No, I have not checked this show content video.
And then you should set your header row properly. Only then it will start working fine. Okay?
Ramya, can you scan that last page table, that card details?
Wait.
There,
Yeah,
the
which one?
you just go to the last page. You add some. Yeah, you check out the product.
1
You
second.
click agree. Check out.
Yes.
And then you click continue.
Okay.
Ramya, how do you select this country list box?
Sorry.
How do you select the country, the list box data?
Automatically it will be coming up.
Continue. Yeah, check money order. Check money order. Continue. Continue.
Is this table you are
Yeah,
talking
yeah.
about?
Last one. Go down below. Yeah, total shipping. This is showing how to scan this actually.
Okay. Shift right click scan HTML. Dun, 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 dun.
Ramya, the list box data is there, right? So do you need any loop for that? So
No,
how
no,
do you select
automatically
specific
all those
one
values will come
to
up. Automatically all those values will come up. I'll
suppose
show
in list
you.
box I need to select specific country.
Give me one moment, I will show you. Now this is the cart total. Okay. And then I'll say show content preview. Okay, for this actually this doesn't have any header row. So remove this. All it has is header column.
Yes.
And now say finish. If you want this, you can select or else you need not select that also. It depends on you. You can say finish screen and close it. Yeah. So now you will get the header column list, not the header row. Yes. So what is that you need to work on this?
When I shipping ground, I want to select a shipping ground. Then it was I'm not getting the shipping ground option in the sale row cell. When I go to the row and cell, I'm not the shipping ground. Like
Okay. Now you want this shipping value 0.00.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I was
Now here we know the header column, right? So here, yeah, shipping,
Now, okay.
and then shipping is the row name and column number is $1 because I declared that. And you can say buffer and say some test. Okay, and now you can run this. The way how you scanned is wrong actually. I think you selected header row.
Yeah, yeah. Right, right.
See, it got this value.
Okay.
Yes, and coming to this drop down, you are asking me. 1 second. How can I go back? Yes. So, for suppose, shall I take this country? Hello? Who is that actually? Who
Yeah,
spoke to me?
Ramya, this is Raghu.
Yeah, shall I take this country, Raghu?
Yes, yes. Any country can you please say?
Okay, see, most of the times, if it is the normal drop down, when you scan, automatically all the values will come up. I'll show you.
Okay.
You can see the values in the value range here. This is the drop down, and I'll say finish screen, close it, and see here you got all the values. Did you
Okay.
see? So what will happen is when you drag it and add as a new test step, right? So automatically you can select the values here on. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, some application we
Some application will
can't.
have dynamic drop down.
Yes.
Then you have to scan that drop down as well. For that, you can take the Amazon as an example. Last time we saw how do you enter value here? By using send keys. I said you, do you remember?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
But now, how can you select from these? You have to scan this drop down again in that case. Okay. Some applications you need to do it, some applications you need not do it. It depends on the type of drop down.
Okay, Ram.
Let me show you. 1 second. అంతకన్నా పెద్దది తేవచ్చు కదరా చారుకి ఏం సరిపోద్ది అది పైనే ఉంది లాక్ oh this drop down I am not able to scan. Usually the dynamic drop downs will stay. Okay, in real time. So you can scan them actually. But this one I'm not able to scan. Again, we need to discuss on freezing screen, which we will be having in the later part.
Yes, Ramya. Sometimes
But
it
if
won't.
you
Yeah.
try in your real time, right, these drop downs will stay. So you can scan them immediately.
Okay.
Yes. Any other questions?
Ramya, we yet to take this dynamic drop-down topic in our classes, right? We haven't yet.
Dynamic drop down, nothing actually. After writing something, usually you will have the values coming up, right? So for inserting values, you will use send keys and you will scan the drop down also.
Okay.
Okay, you will scan the drop down option also, and again you will change steer it in the same way. Here you steered it, right, using the buffer. So the
Mm.
same way, you for one parameter you will pass the value as the buffer value and you will update the buffers. If you come across that such scenario, do let me know. We will discuss this as part of class. I don't have it here. If
Okay.
you can share your screen and show me, then I can discuss it for sure.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
But Ramya, that when you click on that search, dynamic search, and it gives a lot of suggestions, and when you try to scan that drop down, it goes away. So you just told that you will discuss about a dynamic
We
freezing
will
option. Yeah.
discuss about freezing the screens.
Okay. So there is an
I
option to freeze this. Yeah.
We have
Yes.
an option to freeze the screen and then scan the things. I will give you the code how to freeze the screen and all.
Okay.
Any other questions?
No, Ramya.
Okay. Then let's stop this session today. Please don't miss tomorrow. Tomorrow we will discuss about test sheets. Okay. Thank you all. Thanks for joining. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay. Bye.